Till now, we have covered all the basic part modeling features in the previous sections, and now we are on the last section, that is section I, which is the exam level part modeling. It means that these questions, if you solve the 10 questions, then it means that you are well prepared for the CSWA examination. So now using all the previous features in the previous sections, let's start with the section I, question 1, that is a sledgehammer. So let's start. Let's start from the front plane, create a center rectangle. This is 50, this is 100, and a slot at the center. Constrain the center point on the origin. This is 20. This radius is 8. The sketch is completely constrained. We can go to extrude. Extrusion is 50 mm, and remember to extrude from the mid plane, because whenever there is a symmetric model you must extrude from the mid plane, so then you can use that plane for a reference. Now for the next feature, what we can do is create a reference plane. Select this edge and this edge. Now let's sketch on this plane. It is shown in section AA. We will sketch exactly like that. Complete the sketch. Now give the dimensions. This is 12.5. This radius is 25. And the distance from this line to the origin would be 50 by 2. So this is now done. We can create center lines to mirror. Create two center lines. Select all the lines, this center line and mirror. Now again select all of these and this center line to mirror again. So this is complete. Now we can go to extruded cut. Select through all cut, both side and all the contours. This is done. We can hide this plane. Now we can just go to circular pattern. In the direction we can select this plane, the features, the cut extrude. We need 4 and OK. So this is now done. Now another method to do this I will show you. Let's delete this first and also delete the sketch. In this method you will not need to create plane or anything. You just go on this face, sketch, create a polygon of 8 sides from the center to one of the edges. Select this one edge, make it horizontal. Now drag this point on this edge to make it constrained. Now we can just go to extrude cut. This time we'll go blind and flip side to cut, because we need to cut outside from this polygon. This distance would be 12.5 plus 25 because of the fillet. Now we will give the fillet of 25 mm on these 4 edges. So this is done. This is another way to do it. And now we can just go to mirror, select the face, this right plane and select features, include the cut extrude, and this is done. Now lastly, we have to add the 3 mm fillets on all the edges. So write 3 mm, select one of the edges, and from here you can select all the connected 51 edges at once, and then select this inner surface to select the two edges of the slot. So all the edges are selected, apply fillet. Now apply the material. This is gray cast iron, it would be under iron. Apply. Let's check the mass, 1453.42, 145,145, 8.68. So that is a slight variation, but this answer is the correct one. So this is done. Next part in the next video. Thank you.